Are you looking for the best gaming PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R15 Gaming Desktop. The Alienware Aurora R15 Gaming Desktop is a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. One of its standout features is the sustained overclocking capability, thanks to a new 240mm heat exchanger that is twice the size of its predecessor. This enhancement not only improves thermal resistance but also ensures that boost clocks are maintained even under heavy loads, allowing for optimal gaming performance. The Creo Tech cooling technology takes thermal performance to the next level by incorporating advanced liquid cooling. This not only keeps the system cool but also introduces exclusive Alien FX lighting features, adding a touch of flair to your gaming setup. Robust thermals are a key focus of the Aurora R15, evident in its hexagonal side vents. These vents contribute to improved airflow throughout the system, enhancing air intake efficiency and further supporting the cooling system's effectiveness. Number 2. Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 5i. The Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 5i is a powerhouse designed for the next generation of gaming, equipped with 12th generation Intel Core processors that deliver superior gaming performance. The innovative architecture ensures that the right core is matched to the right workload, preventing background tasks from interrupting your gaming experience. At the heart of the gaming experience is the power of Ampere, NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX architecture. This feature brings advanced ray tracing and tensor cores into play, along with streaming multiprocessors for the ultimate gaming performance. The result is an immersive and visually stunning gaming experience. One notable improvement is the enhanced cooling system, which keeps everything up to 5 degrees Celsius snappier and quieter. The inclusion of a 65W CPU cooler, increased wattage over previous generations, and a 50% improvement in airflow contribute to a cooler and faster system overall. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance i7400 Series Gaming PC. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 Series Gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers who want to take their gaming experience to the next level. It's a meticulously crafted system that combines award-winning Corsair components with the advanced customization and control offered by Corsair ICUE software. At the heart of this gaming beast is a 13th Gen Intel Core CPU, delivering dynamic CPU architecture for seamless gaming and multitasking. The liquid cooling system, featuring the Corsair ICUE H100i RGB Elite Liquid CPU Cooler, ensures optimal temperature management for sustained performance. Graphics are a key highlight, thanks to the cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card. This powerhouse enables gamers to delve into lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing and enjoy ultra-high FPS gaming with minimal latency.